Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use Object Eraser on Samsung Galaxy A57. First of all, you're gonna have to sign in to your Samsung account, which you can do by going to settings of your smartphone and signing in right here. After that, you're gonna have to open the built-in gallery application on your smartphone. Select any photo from it, then tap the edit icon on your toolbar. Select the 4 circles icon beneath and then just use Object Eraser. Now we're gonna have to either tap on the object we want to erase or draw a circle around it like this. Now let's tap erase to confirm. And that's the result. To finish, tap done and then save. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.